Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Shushmita welcomes you to That Versatile Girl. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any videos of mine in future. And this video really gonna be long because I have done a lot of shopping because there was a huge sale was going on in Purple, and this is what my carton look like. So definitely we are going to do, I won't do a review at all, I'll just show you what exactly I bought. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the first product. This is what the first product is. This is Wet n Wild single eyeshadows, and this is in the shade Panther. I hope you can see it. And this is shade Nutty. So I guess you must be knowing, and my link description mein de dungi so that it would be easy for you. So this is the shade Nutty, and this is for 135 rupees, and this cost me around 88 rupees. And the Panther, the black shade, it is 135 rupees, but it has cost me 101 rupees. So let me swatch it for you guys. This is a very beautiful shade. Just look at this, like it's a beautiful shade. अगर आप ऑफिस या फिर कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल हो एंड आपको डे टू डे मेकअप एंड ऑल उसके लिए चाहिए, सो दिस इज अ परफेक्ट शेड. नटी, you should go for that. And this is what the Panther looks like. Let me swatch it over here. And this is perfectly amazing color, you guys. This is beautiful color, you can see. This is the first product. मैं एक साथ बोल दूँ दोनों because the same thing, बस colors या फिर shade different है, you can see. So the next product is Good Vibes Argan Hydrating Face Toner. The net volume is 120 ml. No paraben, no sulfurants. It's cruelty free like any other Good Vibes product. So this is for 175 rupees, but this cost me 149 rupees. So yeah, it's like a good deal. I like it. And let me tell you the fragrance of this because I'm a fragrance loving person. So refreshing, so beautiful. So the next product is this. This is Livon Shake and Spray Serum, and this is like what it claims is like salon finish and perfect for your travel and all. Let me show you how exactly it looks. And ये मैं already use कर चुकी हूँ, and I'm a big die-hard fan of this serum. This is so beautiful. You need to shake it before use, and oh my goodness, I just opened it. So this is a new pack, and I just love using it, guys. I just love using it. You just shake it. And this is, let me use it. Oh my goodness, such a beautiful, amazing. I just love spraying it all the day long. I just go on spraying it on my hair because I really want my hair to smell amazing, beautifully amazing. So this is what the product you should go for. Just guys, blindly trust my words and just go and buy this. This is such a miracle product. Like आपका बाल भी बहुत manageable हो जाएगा, and the smell you get, oh god, the fragrance is so beautiful, so beautiful. I really recommend it. और मैं कुछ बोलूँ नहीं बोलूँ, it's fine, आगे देखा जाएगा, but this is the one you should go for it, guys. You should. This one is for 100 ml of product, net quantities, and this is for 250 rupees, but I got it for only 175 rupees. Such a big steal, you guys. Just like go and buy it. अगर आपको ये Purple या Nykaa में 250 में मिल रहा है, then go check any other website like Flipkart, Amazon. Just buy it. And it is like worth 250 rupees, you guys. Trust me when I'm saying it. So the next product I will be talking about is this is also Livon serum for dry and unruly hair. This is for 50 ml, and this also for 150 rupees, and this is for, I got it for 105 rupees. And this is also the normal serum जो पहले आता था Livon का, अभी भी आ रहा है, बस वही वाला है. Actually मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा dry and frizzy हैं, because I've used every freaking color on my hair. So मैं window के सामने बैठी, that's why the sunlight reflection is coming like this. So please manage. So it claims that it is 24 hours intense smoothness it provides. So I don't know exactly because it's the first time I'm buying it, because I literally want to give it a try because I'm fed up with this frizziness and all in my hair. So yeah. And if anybody have used this, please let me know in the comment section below how exactly you felt about this. I will be like glad to know about it. So please let me know in the comment section below. So the next product I will be talking about is this. This is Kaya Daily Pore Minimizing Toner, and this is for 200 ml, and the actual cost is 440 rupees, but I got this for 330 rupees. So yeah, this is the first time I bought this product, and I hope this actually work, because I have pores here. So oops. Oh, it's a very liquidy toner, like you can see. I know it's a toner, so but it is very liquidy and such a, again, thank you so much. Beautiful fragrance, you guys. A beautiful fragrance. Wow. I'm so happy. Seriously, ये haul बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा जा रहा है. I'm so happy till now. अभी आगे देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. So the next product I will be talking about this is Swiss Beauty Mega Fix and Natural with vitamin E and aloe vera, and ये मैं already use कर चुकी हूँ. ये जब मैं makeup कर रही तभी मैंने use करा था, and it is pretty good. It has a lemony fragrance, so it's like the citrus kind of thing, and I'm not a big fan of citrus, and मुझे बिल्कुल भी lemon and all उसका smell बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता. So it's like fine, इतना ज़्यादा hard smell नहीं है, but you can go for it. Like I'm okay with it, though I don't like citrus or lemony fragrance. ये 50 ml का आता है, and it's for 250 rupees, and I got this for 237. ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं है, but still यार, हम तो 2-3 रुपए का धनिया वैसा फ्री में ले लेते तभी खुश हो जाते. So it's like fine, it's a makeup thing. So yeah. So the next product I will be talking about, this one. This is Colgate Charcoal Clean Bamboo Charcoal and Mint Gel. And I am more into this Colgate thing. मेरे घर पे सब लोग पतंजलि यूज़ करते हैं, but I'm literally inclined towards the Colgate thing. So I literally want to try this out because I haven't tried yet. So yeah, this is what. और इसको तो मेरे को दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, right? So the next product is this one. This is Wit Citrus. I know मैं अभी just बोली कि मुझे citrus पसंद नहीं है, but Saima, you know, Style Styles वो यूज़ कर देते हैं, and she has recommended कि like ये ले लो, एक बार try करके देखो. So that's why I got this product to give it a try how exactly this work. And this has vitamin C, sodium hyaluronate, and skin moisturizing cream, and it is, the net weight is like 70 gram, and this is how it looks from inside. And yeah, and मैं अभी ये ओपन नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई विल डेफिनेटली यूज़ इट एंड टेल यू हाउ एक्जैक्टली, बिकॉज मैं इतना बोल चुकी हूँ अभी तक, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि और भी बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बाकी हैं गाइस, बहुत सारे. सो yes, so the next product I will be talking about these 3 nail polishes. This is a top coat. Exactly, this is from NY Bay, and I don't have nails as well, so आप सोच ही सकते हो कि लगा एग्जैक्टली आई एम इनटू नेल पॉलिशेस में बिल्कुल भी इतनी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई बॉट दिस, because of these only. This one I loved it, and it was like buy 2 get 1 free kind of thing, and other colors I really don't like, and I really love, you know, nude color on my nails if I wear. So these nail polishes, इसके actually net weight तो I don't know, and you can use it for 36 months from the manufacturing, and इसको भी manufacturing लिखा नहीं है. And yeah, it is 6 ml of product, and you are getting this for, its actual price is 65 rupees, but on discount I got this for 43 rupees each. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the product. Let's see how exactly it feels on my nails. This is how the color looks like, you guys, and I'm really in love with this color. I really loved it, and it has the second shade, it has a sheen to it, and this is what the shade is. This is from a lavender family, and this is such a beautiful color. I'm really in love with this color, and this is like fine for the ring finger, because I always use a different color on my ring finger. So yeah, I loved it. So let's talk about the next product. This is what the next product is. This is Lakme Lip Love Cherry Lip Care 22 hours moisturize SPF 15, and this is for 150 rupees, but I got this for 120 220 rupees only, and this is for 4.5 gram, and this is normal tinted lip balm, and because my lips are really chapped and very dry, so this is why I got this, because ghar pe, you know, it will give you a beautiful color on your lips and moisturize as well at the same time. So yeah, this is the product. So the next product is this is Kaya Derma Natural Seaweed and Polyglutamic Acid Night Mask. So before I tell you about this, let me tell you one thing. There are 4 products which is like very close to my heart, and I have kept that product for the last, so make sure you see that as well. यहाँ से भाग मत जाना. Okay, so this is what the product looks like from the outer package. It is 50 gram of product and its cost is 300 rupees, and I got it for 224 rupees. And I'm very much into night masks, so yes, this is how the seaweed ones look, and it has a lid like this. Oh my goodness, मेरा दिन आज बहुत अच्छा जाने वाला है. It's like so beautiful fragrance it has, you guys. It's so beautiful. I am in love with this. So I hope the other one also smells that great. So this is the hemp seed oil one, and this is a white color thing. Oh, this smells like move. Like seriously. So the next product I will be talking about is these 2 palettes. Not palettes, oh god, blushers. This is Stay Quirky Chicky Girls Blush, and the shade is Peachy Lady. And this is how it looks. You know, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा थोड़ा बहुत डार्क लग रहा है आपको. You know, मतलब आपको बहुत लाइट लग रहा है थोड़ा बहुत इसमें, but it is pretty dark, and इसका pigmentation is like bone pigmentation. ये जो shade है, like it is quite pigmented. तो आपको ये थोड़ा पहले you know light hand से use करना होगा, then only you can use it properly. Otherwise ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा dark लगेगा, and it won't like look like a joker or a clown face like that. So it's to avoid it, dust it off the excess and start with light hand. So the next and the shade I will be talking about in this Stay Quirky Cheeky Girls blush is Apricot Babe, and this is very light brownish shade. I don't know आपको ये थोड़ा सा light क्यों दिख रहा है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा light दिख रहा है, but it's like a brownish shade, and this is how it looks. And अगर आपको बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा bronzing and all करने का पसंद नहीं है, then you can go for this one. This will work as your blusher. This will work as your contour and light contour. अगर आपको वो Revolution का contour palette नहीं चाहिए, you can get this one and this one, and you're good to go, because it has somehow a sheen to it. You can see इसमें थोड़ा सा sheen है, not glitter chunky particles, but it's a very good way sheen. So yeah. So the next product I will be talking about this is Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator. So नॉर्मल ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है, और इसकी मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. सो लेट मी टेल यू, दिस इज इन मोल्टन गोल्ड, और मैं इसको स्टिल ऊपर नहीं की हूँ अभी तक. सो लेट इट बी लाइक दिस, बिकॉज आई हैव फ्यू हाईलाइटर्स विथ मी राइट नाउ. सो मैं उसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद ही आई विल बी यूजिंग इट. सो लेट्स सी. एंड मैं अगर मैं फेस्टिव लुक क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ, देन आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस वन, एंड देयर यू कैन गेट इट लाइक हाउ एग्जैक्टली आई यूज इट ऑन अ डिफरेंट वे. सो या. सो गाइस, इंतज़ार ख़त्म हुआ, और आप भी सोच रहे हो कि ये तो अभी रेड लिपस्टिक लगाई थी, ये कौन सा लिपस्टिक लगा दी. देयर इज़ द कैच. अभी मैं लिपस्टिक के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट द लिपस्टिक इज. दिस इज मेकअप रिवोल्यूशन इन कोलैबोरेशन विद सोप, एंड this was a free product, because I got 3 palettes from Makeup Revolution, and this is in collaboration with soap, and there was a her name engraved over here. Just look at this. This is the shade Syrup, and this is such a beautiful pretty shade, you guys. Just look at this. I really loved it. Like, this is my favorite, absolute favorite till now. This is so beautiful. This is not at all matte. This is creamy, and buttery. This is so beautiful. I was never a fan of buttery or any cream sort of in the lipstick, but this is the one lipstick I'm loving it like anything. And look at this color, you guys. Just look at this color. This is just to die for, and this is in the shade Syrup. The third last product is this one. This is Makeup Revolution. What is this? Ultra Brightening Sculpt and Contour Kit Ultra Fair. इसका सारा swatches, how exactly it applies on face, everything. I will be do it in a different video. So this is what the product I purchased, and this is for its actual price is 850 rupees, and I got this for 680 rupees. And this is pretty good. Like I have used this. So जो भी कोई ऑफिस गोइंग है, न्यू बिगनर है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली हैव दिस किट बिकॉज ये बिल्कुल भी इतना ज़्यादा हाईली पिगमेंटेड नहीं है कि आप वर्क नहीं कर सकते हो. एंड ऑफिस गोइंग गर्ल्स, दिस इज द परफेक्ट पैलेट टू हैव. दिस लाइक सो ब्यूटीफुल. एंड ये जो है ब्रॉन्जर जो है ये बहुत लाइट है एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैट है. दिस नॉट अ शिमर बट द ब्लशर इज लाइक थोड़ा सा शिमर है उसमें. सो आपको हाईलाइटिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ऑफिस एंड जस्ट put on this blushes and they're good to go. So yeah, this is that beautiful palette. So the next palette I will be talking about is this one, the product I mean. This is Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Fire, and this is such a pretty shade, you guys. They're so beautiful. Let me tell you how exactly what the actual cost. And this is actually for 19.8 gram and it's for 1850 rupees, but I got this for only 1200 rupees, you guys. I really loved it. And who actually love warm tone colors, this is like a perfect palette for them. It has a very beautiful mirror, very huge mirror I would say, and these are the shades, you guys. Just look at these. These are so beautiful, pretty. So इसके भी swatches and everything I will be doing a dedicated video about this palette. This is such a beautiful pretty palette, and I love very warm colors. I feel वो मेरे face को बहुत ज़्यादा compliment करते हैं. So I love it. This is all. So the last product is again, I mean, मैं इसका जितना प्राइस है ना मैं उसके पैकेजिंग के लिए दे सकती हूँ. सो प्रिटी, यू गाइस. जस्ट लुक एट दीज. इज इट प्रिटी? आई एम इन लव विद दिस पैलेट. एंड ये कुछ ऐसे प्लास्टिक शीट में पहले आता है, वो भी जो फायर वाला मैं आपको इससे पहले दिखाया था वो भी उसी का ही है. सो इसमें टोटल 18 शेड्स आते हैं एंड सेम लाइक 19.8 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. एंड दिस इज व्हाट द shades are. So beautiful, nude, peachy, brown tone, and the most interesting part is the names of these shades are beautiful, like Magnetic, Sensation, Lovesick, Crave, Sinner, then Seduction, Charisma. Oh god, like so beautiful names as well. So yeah, I will be doing a dedicated video of these palettes. So stay tuned and make sure you do follow me on Instagram as well. And hit the bell icon so that you won't miss out any videos about these palettes. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and showing so much of love. And I'm so sorry that it's been a long that I haven't uploaded any videos because I was waiting for these actually to when they will be arriving and all, and I was quite busy and there were like a lot of things happening in my life. So yeah, I was there. But you guys, I really love this lip shade. What do you say? Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite palette or your favorite product in this total haul. And when I will be hitting 500, I will give a small giveaway, and when I will be hitting 1000 guys, there will be a huge giveaway. So do support me to win those giveaways. Bye.